Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of videos related to hauls and related to reviews. Under hauls I have videos for makeup, skincare, hair care, accessories, footwear, you name it, and mostly I have it. And under review section I do have reviews for makeup, skincare, hair care, as well as I do have lot of videos in particular related to new launch product, as well as lot of videos for comparison of products. That is the products which I have just recently launched, they go under new launch product playlist. And if I have compared two products or maybe more than two products, then they go under the comparison of product playlist. So if you are looking out for some particular video, definitely head towards that particular playlist and you can watch the video. Alright, and if this is what you are looking out for, then definitely please take out a moment and consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now from the thumbnail and from the title, you all must have got a little bit of idea that today I'm going to even this is for me also first impression. It is this particular product, that is Stay Quirky Take It Off Me Micellar Water. This is basically a pretty recently launched, I cannot say recently like new launch product, that is pretty recently launched product. Okay, it is their micellar water, but on the box they never claim anything that this is a waterproof makeup remover. But when you see the description, if possible I'll pop up the picture over here. In the description they say removes waterproof makeup also. Now then you will say, then Meghna, what is the difference between their previous launch and the recent launch? Then yes, for you people only, I have got the previous launch micellar water also. You all can see over here. It is their previous launch. This is previous launch, this is the recent launch. Just I wanted to make it clear to you which one is better. That is why I got this also, because you all must be aware, I never use, actually I have not actually in my vanity any kind of Stay Quirky micellar water, because I do have Stay Quirky makeup remover gel as well as Stay Quirky makeup remover bar. Okay, I already have done a one comparison video of that. I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box. So if you want, you can check that also. After watching this video, you can check that video as well. So in that particular video, I have compared that particular two products. I wanted to see which one is better and which one not. I will not tell you right now, because if I'll tell you, you will not go there and you will not watch. So go there and watch that video, which one was my favorite in that video. Since I was having that too, I was not actually planning to buy any kind of makeup remover, but I wanted to see the difference, and I actually wanted to tell you all what is the difference, because lot of people must be having this previous launch, then they will be wondering then what is the difference. So that is why, just to make that point clear, I got both the products. Okay, it is like when you just check the packaging, I'll just tell you all the details in briefing. It is this same Stay Quirky. On the side only they have given you Take It Off Me Biface makeup remover, and over here they say Take It Off Me micellar water. Okay, this one, the previous one say micellar biface, and this one doesn't say, but in the description they do claim the recent one also removes the waterproof makeup. Alright, and if you happen to see, if you happen to feel my energy a little bit lower, then please, sorry, forgive me, because I'm suffering from cold and I'm not in actually a perfect position to talk. But see, since I wanted to upload this video soon, that is why I am filming. Okay, and if you also happen to see my makeup also not proper or something, then please don't mind, because I was not actually in a mood only. Right, so when you see only the top, we will just talk about the briefing. The top one of this one is yellow, this one is this one is blue, this one is yellow, and bottom they have changed. Basically they have just played with the packaging. Okay, the previous one was around for 180 rupees, and the shelf life was for 2 years. Okay, the recent one is also this is 180 rupees, this is 150 rupees, the shelf life again for 2 years. Both the product contains 100 ml, both the micellar water. Now I'll show you the inner packaging of the previous one and the recent one. This is the previous one. I don't know whether y'all can see, but there is a difference. Upper part, I'm not sure whether it is capturing. The upper part is yellow and the lower part is lighter yellow, maybe watercolor kind of. So this is biface. You have to shake it and then you have to use it. Whereas this one is only one plain color. Right, this is the previous one, this is the recent one. The previous one cap is silver, the recent one cap is black. Okay, everything, each and every detail is given over here. Stay quirky, take it off me, Biface makeup remover. Stay quirky, take it off me, micellar water. Okay, when you flip it over here, they have given you the expiry and everything. This is 180, this is 150. So if you want to throw away the outer packaging, because then this box can occupy a little bit more space, then if you want to throw away the packaging, definitely you can, because from the packaging itself you all can make out which is the previous launch and which is the recent one. This is the round cylinder bottle and this is little bit kind of a flat bottle. You all can see both the bottles are of plastic, so there is no difference in that. Silver and black cap. So this is basically the major difference. This is Biface. This doesn't claim on the particular packaging, but on the description, yes, they do. So what I will do is, I will, like on my left, I will use the earlier launch, the previous launch, and on my right I will use this recent launch. And if you feel which makeup I have used, for the mascara I have used Maybelline Lash Lift mascara, which is a waterproof mascara. I have already reviewed that particular product on my channel. So if you want to see, I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you all can go ahead and you all can check the video. That is the waterproof mascara, and rest all products, and that is I've just applied eyeshadow. Generally I do not apply eyeshadow, I'm a lazy bum. I do not like to apply eyeshadow, but just because of this video, when you are with the full face of makeup, there should be eyeshadow. That is why I've applied eyeshadow. So what we will do, we will just try to, like, I will do it, I will just get my mirror and I will do it in front of you. Sorry, back with the mirror. So what I'll do is, as I told you, I'll just fast forward the video. I'll just take it, this micellar water on my left. Okay, you all can see, right? You all can see. Okay, so this is one side done. What I'll do is, I'll just close this. This doesn't come with any kind of inside cap or something, rubber cap. This is a plain napkin. I just want to see. So of course double clean is required. Only micellar water you cannot rely. That is why I have taken a napkin, cotton napkin, in fact a baby napkin. I just want to see. And this is the other side. We will just check. Both will require. In any case, whenever we do any kind of makeup remover or anything, double cleanse is must. But I have to go up, like I have to get up and I have to get water and everything. So I will not do right now. After finishing this video, I will do the cleaning my face and everything. So right now you all can see the makeup is already removed, and it has already removed the mascara as well. Even this side mascara is not there, even this side is not there. So definitely, if you will ask me my final verdict, then if you already own this particular, the earlier launch, that is the previous launch, then I don't think you have to go for this one. Okay, and if you do not own this and you want to go for, then definitely I will suggest you can go for this, because this pretty, like satisfactory, removes the makeup. It is not that you require biface makeup remover only, because it removed my mascara. So, and I definitely do not use waterproof eyeliner, so I cannot vouch on that, because I don't want my eyes to be in pain. And you all must have seen, if I use any of the makeup remover, that time also I do suffer from lot of watering from my eyes. So definitely I avoid all that stuff. And if you want to go for it, then like as I told you, if you have this, no need to go for this. But if you don't have this, definitely go for this only. No need to like say ki, okay, I have not purchased this, so I have missed something. No, you have not missed anything, because this almost same. Almost, I am not saying 100%, almost same, performing almost same. Of course, the monetary, if you check the price factor, then definitely Purplle do run lot of sales. So during sale times, you can buy these products, and I will give you my reference code also. It will be mentioned in the description box. So if you will use my reference code, you will get some discount on your order. So definitely why not, to save some money. And the buying link of all this will be given in it will be pinned in the comment section, so you can check that as well. And if you will say, Meghna, you have lot of dark circles and all, yes, I do have dark circles, because my routine, my schedule is little bit like different from you all, because I'm a mother of a son, as well as I'm a housewife. I'm working also, so I have lot of areas where I have to perform my duties. So please don't mind my dark circles, and like don't mind my bare face. And if I make some mistake, please excuse me for that as well. So if you like my comparison video, if you like what I've explained, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe my channel. And if you have not subscribed till now, what you're waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. It is not going to cost you anything, but it will encourage me to make lot of more other videos. And this is not a sponsored video. I have got this all products by my own money. Nobody is sponsoring me, and I do not expect also anyone to sponsor me. Alright, yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.